Here we have a Volkswagen Scirocco with 121,000 miles. It's in very good condition throughout. It's got MOT till January 2022. Twin exhaust, comfort and sport suspension, so it will lower up, down, whatever settings you have it on. Clean condition. It's got a nice stereo, Bluetooth, SD. You can sync your phone in, you can plug it in using the auxiliary. Sports seats, cloth. Nice steering wheel with multi-functions on there. It's a 140 brake. Electric windows all work. So yeah, it's going to be up for 5,000. It's very rare blue. Don't see many of this colour. They're normally like a bright blue. But yeah, it looks really nice with the black wheels. Very nice car indeed. So if you're interested in coming and viewing it, or test driving it, get in contact with us soon. Thank you. Hello, welcome back to Projects Wellington. Here is a Meriva 1.7 TDI. Quite a low mileage vehicle, this one. 75,000 miles. Miles there. CD player, I guess. Yeah, CD player. Quite a modern looking car. So yeah, it's a manual, 6-speed manual. Got this weird thing that moves up and down, moves along like so. Drinks holder in the back. electronic parking brake. Runs nice as well. Got parking sensors, ice cold air conditioning as well. Cables all work. Yeah, it's a very spacious car. This has got a nice little added extra. Bevin suicide doors, which I think really looks quite cool. So easy access to the back. The rear seats move backwards and forwards. Tyres are all good. It's got a decent sized boot as well. One little scratchy dent there, but then that's reflected in the price. And suicide doors on both sides. And it's quite quick as well. 1.7 turbo diesel, so it does go quite well, and it's a CVT-I. If you're interested in coming to have a look at this vehicle or any others, hit us up on Facebook. And that's the Meriva.